Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to freeze iPhone location without them knowing and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go to the Find My app on your iPhone. Just try opening the Find My. Right? So what you need to do is, in order to turn it off, we have to go to the button over here. You can see this is me icon. Just tap on this. Now from here, what you need to do is, you can see that I'm having these options. Now from here, the first and foremost step is all about I have to turn off share my location over here. And right now, this is what we have to do. Right, so right now, to the person, those who are trying to track you down will not be receiving any kind of an location from now on, but they'll be receiving your last location where it was. It will be showing in that. And once you're done with this one, what you need to do is you have to try this as the first step. Next one is all about you have to try with turning on the airplane mode. So to do so, we have to go over here to the control center. Now try turning on the airplane mode. Like it's the name indicates, it is going to disconnect you from the internet as well as on the Wi-Fi, whatever the connections you're having. So obviously you are completely gone from them. And also you can down the road, you can just afterwards, you can just turn it off and connect back to the Wi-Fi and you can use it. Next thing is all about what we need to do is we have to go to the settings over here. And from here you have to click on the profile at the top. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the Find My. And also over here you have already turned off the Find My. Make sure that you have turned on the Share My location. Either you can do it from here or you can do it on the Find My app. And this is what we have to do. So these are the ways, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.